Hi, back again on the Homemade Crafts Ideas YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to talk about some wooden shelf DIY. This first video is from Crafted Workshop with a very interesting creation that combines open shelf with hidden storage. This wall shelf provides many functions and aesthetic as a display for displaying decoration and hidden storage for storing other objects. At number 2, obtained from the channel Coffee with My Sunshine, which makes a rusty farmhouse wall shelf that looks very unique, where the shelf will be displayed in the bedroom above the toilet as a storage for tissue paper. It doesn't require woodworking expertise to make it, even using only a few simple materials. Wall shelf can also be used in warehouses, shops, and even workshops, like from the channel A Glimpse Inside, which creates shelves on the wall with the technique you need to know to create them. And as a result, the shelf has a very maximum function and looks very organized. If you want an open shelf in your kitchen, you can follow how to make the shelf from this video made by the channel The Help Life. This shelf is not only successful in terms of functionality, it also has a very pleasant appearance. Shelves do not always have to be mounted on the wall. However, you can make a standalone shelf. Even this type of shelf has the advantage of being able to store a lot of items even with a heavier load. Having a shelf with a unique shape is very nice, because besides having a function as a wall organizer, it can also add to the beauty of a room, as you can see from this Mr. Build It channel. This less cooler shelf is one of my favorite one, which you can see from the Homemade Modern channel. By using plywood material, creators build shelves that have many levels, so it has a function lot to store items and can even be used as a work table. It's so awesome.